YouTube. So today we're gonna be doing this bath challenge that I've seen people do it on YouTube. I'm gonna be trying to escape from these handcuffs, and while the water's coming up. So let's get started with the video. So first I'm gonna plug the bathroom. Okay, and now we just need the water. Well, let me put on the handcuffs first. Okay, lock tight. I can't even move this. And my hands, the heck. Okay, my hand is like, hold on, boy. Okay, let's go. I can't do this. Okay, there we go. Now I just need the water. If I can open it. Okay, there we go. So, we're trying to escape from this. Oh, this water's cold! This water's cold! This water's cold! Oh my god! Okay, hold on. Oh, this water's hot! This water's hot! Okay, that's good actually. Okay, so let's start trying to escape. Let me get my key and light. Okay. Right? If I don't make it, you guys, it's the end of me. So, wish me luck, people. Oh, this is hot! Oh my god! Oh, hold on. Okay, let's escape. Okay, let me try to take this off right here. I can feel the water almost getting to my ears. That's bad. Okay, go. Some got in my ear. Okay. Oh, I got one off. Let me get the other one. Oh, it's getting in my ears. Come on, take it off. You guys, if I don't make it, my cousin or my dad or my sister will take over the video. It's getting in my ear. It's hot and warm and it got in my ear. It got in my ear. Take it off. Let's go. It got in my ear. I took it off. Oh my god. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and pause the video. But okay. The video's good. Let me see. Wow.